Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Harley and welcome to the House of Love. So people, me and Mattia there as usual. Me I gonna do something different today people, something that I've never done before but me I gonna try it. I know I can do it. So me I gonna just go at it and try it. Hope it works out for me. So the cassava them what we did reap down at the farm, they tough. We constantly cook them and them tough. So Daddy did say to me, say me could make bammy with them, but me no know nothing about making bammy. Me no have no equipment to make bammy, but me I go do it. So me day here, me have my stuff. Me have my knife, my dish, the grater, and of course the cassava. Let me show one of them. Me put them in a one bag. Let me show you people what's going on. See there. So every time we cook them, every time we boil them, then tough. So me I go try and make bammy people. So me not gonna do it on the stove. Me I go use me pot them, but me did I watch two YouTube video and them say you can just shape it out with some kind of small object or to the size that you want them to be, and then you can just bake them on outside fire stove or anything. You don't have to have like the molds and stuff coming on a mold. So me I go use one little container and shape them out and put them in the pot people. So we will be baking bammy today. Like me I go look some wood when we finish cause there's a whole heap of dry wood around the place. So me and Aguero and Mattia go look wood and we're gonna be bammy people. Yeah. So just stay tuned, like, comment, share, and subscribe and watch what I go and see how my bammy turns out. Tell him say mommy I gonna make bammy. Tell him no. Alright people, so me finish peel the cassava them and me start kinda start grater. But me no want blend it, so me I use my grater people, so we're gonna grater some cassava now. Alright people, so see me finish grater the cassava. The grater did a number on my fingers, people. Like, look, the grater is so sharp. Look what it did to my fingers. But I don't mind. I'm going to be making some bammy. So them say if you squeeze out most of the juice out of it, as much as you can, get it as dry as possible. So that me going to do now, people. So watch what I got. Alright, so people, remember me don't know if you make bammy, so I learned. So in the video that I watched, the lady says you must separate the lumps and find any big lumps that is in it or any one of the strings that are in the middle of the cassava, and you can add some salt if you choose to. So me I separate. I'm separating. There's a black thing right here. Me I separate it now, people, and then me go add a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to look some firewood and come get started on baking my bammy. Alright people, so I add a little bit of salt and I'm going to mix up it. Like what the lady said, you can add a bit of salt. I'm not add enough because I don't naturally cook with all the salt. Yeah, so I mix up it. I take out all of the little impurities already, people. Were in there, all of the little lumps. Yeah, see them, that's all I found. So I'm going to stir up this now and go look some firewood, people, and come back and light up the fire. Alright people, so I'm out here, I look some dry wood. So see dry wood here. take up them 2 pieces already, man. Look so good. So let's look some. Alright, people, so me I carry over my firewood them. That's the amount I found. We gotta light up the fire now and get it started. So stay tuned, people. Whew. I mean, I have no mold, so me fi mold the I have no mold for mold the bammy, people, so me I use my spoon and this little cup, and see them there. Me mold 4 of them already, people. And see my frying pan here. Me light the fire out the door, so me I go put on the frying pan now and see how best me can bake these 4, and then we will continue to make some more, people. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Me light the fire, so me I go put on the frying pan now and show you what I go on. People, rain a fall. Rain come down for me. And out my fire. Me have to try build back my fire, people, but we're there here. But rain, give thanks. Give whole heap of thanks. Rain. People, rain wash out my fire after me day I go on good. This one over here broke. Aguero did this one and it broke because he didn't mold it properly. But I saw me I go on, people, but the rain wash out. Let me show you. The rain wash out my fire, it out the fire, so me have to come inside. So me go finish them on the stove because I not enough and forward. So me flatten it out with the spoon, people, and me I use my finger for even it out now. And then me take it out and leave my mold. Me go buy myself some mold, people. Open the door so you can see the rain.
Your fire is still going.
That wet me up though. Ooh, he burned me. He burned me, people, but that's how me flip them, guys. Alright, people, so see the 10 of them there. I'm gonna make them cool and then me scrape them off. Alright, people, I don't know see my face, but I know see Aguero. He's going to try the bammy and tell you guys how it is.
It is good. Really
Be honest.
No, the other side of the test go very fast.
Okay, well that's good. I did a good job then. So, me no consume nothing from daylight. Like literally, me no consume nothing from daylight except from a little bit. Me drink some water. I drink about 2 cups of water. That's all. So your girl I go make some tea now. I have some crackers until it's dinner time. Cause me I go bathe. So me go have some tea. I have crackers and then me go bathe and make dinner. Me not gonna do nothing too much. Me just I go steam some rice and sardine. Yeah. So big up on yourself. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to run over to the House of Love and show us some love, people. Your girl over here going with a bag of things, people. Yeah, next video coming up. Yeah, daddy I go show you how him make theme pumpkin punch. Yeah, him I go make him pumpkin punch and show you in the next video, people. So as me say, big up on yourself. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And go and big up on yourself, man. Hope all of you guys are doing well. All right, good, amazing, everything are going good. We don't know. Big up on yourself. Later. Bye.